Ascension via Christi announces the end of operations for its emergency room in Fort Scott, Kansas. This is KOAM News at 6. I'm Dow Quick. It's a move that's drawing criticism from some state leaders. KOAM's Amber Jenkins spoke to community members about that decision.
What are we going to do if you had something bad and you needed somebody to take you up there? There's nothing.
On December 20th, Ascension via Christi's emergency department in Fort Scott will close. According to a statement, the emergency department has seen a steady decline in visits, combined with economic challenges, a multidisciplinary team determined to close the ER.
The ER is different than just a hospital to drive for a treatment, so it's for emergency care. That's what we need.
After hearing about the closure of the last emergency room in Fort Scott, many community members say that this is just a hindrance when it comes to rural healthcare accessibility.
I think we're such a small town that you're never going to get the kind of medical attention that you can get in a larger town.
After the emergency department closes, the next closest in-state ER is in Pittsburgh, a 34-mile drive. Out of state, it's 20 miles to the emergency room at Nevada, Missouri Regional Medical Center.
I think it was doing all right. I mean, I used to work at the hospital. And I always thought it was doing pretty good, but I guess it wasn't.
Kansas Governor Laura Kelly, who just wrapped up a 6-week state tour rallying for Medicaid expansion, is criticizing the closure, saying in part, now even in emergencies, they have one less place to turn, threatening their health and safety. Reporting in Fort Scott, Amber Jenkins, KOAM News.
Now, after this closure, there will not be an emergency room in all of Bourbon County, Kansas. Mercy closed its hospital in Fort Scott nearly 5 years ago.